How to use the bike rack on a Metro bus. Metro bike racks fit most bikes with 16-inch tires or larger, up to 27 inches. Recumbent bikes, mopeds, electric scooters, and tricycles cannot be placed on the bike racks. While you wait for your bus to arrive, please remove all loose items from your bike. Bike racks can only hold 2 bikes at a time. You may have to wait for a bus with available space. Once your bus has arrived, signal to the operator to indicate that you are loading a bike. To begin loading your bike, first squeeze the release handle and slowly lower the bike rack. If there are no other bikes in the rack, make sure to put your bike in the channel nearest to the bus. With both hands, lift your bike onto the rack, ensuring the tires are placed in the slots. Next, pull the security bar and raise it up over your bike's front tire to keep it securely in place. Now you're all set to board the bus and pay your fare. When exiting the bus, let the operator know you will be unloading your bike. To unload your bike, pull up on the security bar and lower it from your front tire. Remove your bike by lifting it up and off the rack with both hands. If no other bikes are using the rack, squeeze the release handle and lift the rack until it clicks into place. Now you know how to use a Metro bike rack. For information regarding the rules and restrictions of electric bikes and scooters, please visit the Rules for Riding section on our website at yourmetrobus.org.